Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I got a question asked me just yesterday on one of my videos. It's a fire making video. And everybody knows I'm a ferro rod kind of guy, and I'm getting ready to show you why I am. I'm going to show you exactly why I would prefer a ferro rod over any other fire starting technique. Let me adjust the camera down a little bit. There we go. Alright. We got a lighter, we got a ferro rod. And we got some water. Actually, I got two things of water. There's the ferro rod in the water. And here's the lighter in the water. Both of them are wet now. Ferro rod's wet, lighter's wet. Now the reason I would much prefer a ferro rod over a lighter. You get your lighter wet and it's not going to work. That thing is not working. If it's too cold outside, your lighter's not going to work. If something happens and you fall the wrong way and you strike this lighter that's in your pocket on a rock just hard enough, this thing is going to explode. If it gets too hot, it's going to explode. And when this thing explodes, it's going to hurt you. Well, like I showed you, that lighter is not working. It's hard to tell how long it's going to take for it to dry out before it'll work again. I'm freezing to death. Not really, but I'm freezing to death. Imaginary type situation here. And I need to make a fire. Well, I can make all the fire that I need to with this wet ferro rod. The ferro rod is virtually waterproof, and the lighter's not. Let me give you a demonstration here. Got the water, both things of water. Put that ferro rod back in the water. Put this lighter back in the water. Got a good knife here. This is a piece of fat wood. For those of you who don't know what fat wood is, just a highly resonated wood. It burns very good. All you gotta do is make a few shavings, like so. This sucker back in the case. All right. For the lighter first. Dry it off the best I can here. And nothing. Nothing at all. I can strike and strike and strike until the little flint in this is pretty much gone, and I'm still not going to get a fire. Here's the ferro rod. Dry this off a little bit best I can. Got my striker here. And I've got fire. And the same principle applies to the bow drills and the flint and steel. You know, with the flint and steel, you can still get a spark, but you know, if your kit, if your flint and steel kit, which has got your charred cloth or whatever you're going to use, what kind of ever tinder source you're going to use, if that gets wet, you're still not going to get a fire. But with a ferro rod, you're going to. Look at them little sparks just dance around. But this is my choice. A ferro rod over any other thing is my choice anytime. If I had one item, one fire producing item to pick, it would be a ferro rod, a ferrocerium rod. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys, and keep it up. I'm out of here. I'll see y'all later.